Guys, this is part 5 and I'm here at Cape Agulhas. If you already didn't know that, I'm on the low. The tide is starting to push in now slightly and I'm not sure where to go. There are a few spots that I want to be at, but it's a little bit too low there. I don't want to spend all my energy getting there and walking all the way back. I'm traveling light, so I don't have my wetsuit, my boots and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm not really in the mood for getting wet. As strange as it may sound, yeah, I've got work to get back to, and yeah, looking forward to it. If you guys are enjoying the view, enjoy. Alright, it's a spot I haven't fished for a while. Whenever I'm here, normally from the surf itself, you see how it goes from the rocks. Water's still a bit clear over that side there, so got a little bit more color here. Not that see-through. Let's have a look. On. Oh, something. Ah, the tiniest willowpet I've ever caught. Have a look at that. Oh my word. That's pathetic. Have a look at that for a small willowpet. Oh well, guess it's better than nothing. Let's get the guy back. There he goes. That's the smallest willowpet I think I've ever caught. Well, better than nothing, I suppose. It's been tough. That's winter fishing for you. And yeah, that's it. Just learn it, guys. Check it out. Oh. Oh yes. Oh, it's going to go out of line now. But it's going nice and slowly here. What do you got here? Oh. Oh, big stump nose. Big stump nose. That's what I'm talking about. That's a little bit better. Oh. Oh, that's much better. There you go. Oh, that's a nice big stump nose head. Another Yobi, guys. My new reel. Check it out. Beautiful fish. Oh, this guy took me now for a run on this new reel. I enjoyed that. Man, it's been a while. I just landed, I just cast, and I don't think the sinker even's landed and this guy was already taking it. Lovely fish. On guys, on. Fish is just coming in with me. He's gonna probably pump here in front. See what it is? Oh! Oh, it's a big hottie. Nice. Nice hottie, guys. Check it out on the Ryobi. Vertus. I'm loving it. Beautiful little fish. Oh, and he swallowed that hook. I'm gonna see if I can get that pliers and get the hook out. Back with you now. There he goes. Yep. Off he goes. Come on, come on. Guys, earlier when it was low tide, I was digging for some worm, and I got a couple of wonder worm, and got that crab as well that you saw me cast out earlier. So this is one with wonder worm, nice and fresh. I'm going to be casting him out and see what happens. Well guys, thanks for watching. As you can see, as the sun sets on over the horizon there, I'm gonna pull in my bait that I just cast out earlier and call it a day. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit that like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thanks. Cheers.